What if I told you there's a device that can transform the way you work, create, and play, all while fitting into your backpack? No, it's not science fiction. It's the ASUS Zenbook Duo 2025, and it might just be the most innovative laptop of its kind yet. Hi, I'm Snow, and after decades in the tech industry, I've seen countless gadgets come and go, but this one stands out. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Zenbook Duo 2025 so special, from solving real-world productivity challenges to offering features no other laptop on the market can match. This is more than just a piece of hardware. It's a solution. Stick around because by the end of this review, you'll understand why this could be the ultimate upgrade for professionals, creatives, and multitaskers alike. Let's start with the problem. If you're like me, you probably rely on multiple screens to get through your day, writing documents on one monitor while keeping research open on another, or maybe editing photos on one screen while streaming tutorials on the other. The challenge? Most dual screen setups are bulky, impractical for travel, or require additional peripherals. Enter the Zenbook Duo, a sleek, portable powerhouse that brings two stunning OLED displays right to your fingertips. The Zenbook Duo measures just over 12 inches wide, 8.58 inches deep, and weighs only 3.64 pounds. That's lighter than my 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 Pro, though admittedly not as thin as some competitors like the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. But here's the kicker. Despite its compact size, it packs two 14-inch OLED touchscreens with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and what some call 3K or QHD+, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. These displays cover 100% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut, making them ideal for creative professionals who demand accuracy in their work. But let's talk about performance. At the heart of the Zenbook Duo is Intel's latest Core Ultra 9285H processor, part of Intel's 200H series, designed to strike a balance between power efficiency and raw performance. Paired with Intel's Arc 140T integrated GPU, which leverages the advanced Alchemist architecture, this machine delivers impressive graphical capabilities for an ultra-portable device. In benchmarks, the Zenbook Duo held its own against competitors like AMD's Ryzen AE 9HX 375 and Intel's Core Ultra 7256V, proving it's no slouch when it comes to productivity tasks. Of course, gaming isn't the primary focus of this device, but that doesn't mean it can't handle a few rounds of Stardew Valley or indie classics like Dave the Diver. Running titles like Shadow of the Tomb Raider at low settings netted us an average of 32 frames per second, while Cyberpunk 2077 hovered around 31 FPS. Sure, it won't replace your gaming rig, but for casual gaming during downtime, it absolutely gets the job done. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, battery life. With both screens running simultaneously, we averaged about 7 hours of use under heavy loads, dropping closer to 5.5 hours during intensive tasks like video editing or benchmark testing. For lighter office work, however, you can expect closer to 10 hours and 41 minutes. While it's not class-leading endurance, it's still respectable given the hardware inside. One of the standout features of the Zenbook Duo is its detachable wireless keyboard. When docked magnetically onto the lower screen, it charges wirelessly, a clever design choice that eliminates clutter. And if you prefer using the pen for note-taking or sketching, simply set the keyboard aside without worrying about draining its battery. Speaking of the pen, the included ASUS Pen works seamlessly with the lower touchscreen, turning it into a digital canvas perfect for artists and designers. Connectivity is another area where the Zenbook Duo shines. Equipped with Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, it ensures lightning-fast data transfer and reliable wireless connections. Whether you're backing up files to an external drive or streaming high-resolution content, this laptop has you covered. So how does the Zenbook Duo compare to its rivals? Let's take a look. Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. While thinner and lighter, it lacks the raw performance and versatility of the Zenbook Duo, plus its battery life leaves much to be desired. MacBook Pro M3 Pro. Apple's offering is undeniably powerful, but unless you're entrenched in the Apple ecosystem, the lack of touchscreens and higher price tag make it less appealing for multitaskers. Ultimately, the Zenbook Duo strikes the perfect balance between innovation, portability, and functionality. It's not just a laptop, it's a productivity tool designed for the modern professional. Now, let's talk about drawbacks. Storage is limited to a single 1 terabyte NVMe SSD slot, and upgrading it yourself is practically impossible due to the tightly integrated design. Additionally, while the dual screen setup is fantastic for stationary use, it can feel cramped on airplane tray tables, but honestly, these issues pale in comparison to the benefits this device offers. During my time testing the Zenbook Duo, I found myself wondering how I ever managed without it. As someone who juggles writing scripts, reviewing products, and managing spreadsheets daily, having instant access to 2 screens revolutionized my workflow. Whether I was drafting this very script with notes open on the secondary display or editing videos with tools readily accessible, the Zenbook Duo proved indispensable. In conclusion, the ASUS Zenbook Duo 2025 isn't just a laptop, it's a game changer. Its combination of dual OLED displays, cutting-edge performance, and thoughtful design makes it the ultimate companion for anyone seeking maximum productivity on the go. If you're ready to elevate your workflow, click the link in the description for an exclusive deal. Trust me, this is one investment you won't regret. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the ASUS Zenbook Duo 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and join our Discord community to keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay productive and stay curious. Peace out.